Hey everybody, just want to give you a quick update. It's let's see, April 24th. The wood chips in the garden were officially complete and done, and I just wanted to show you um, what's going on. All right, so right here that's the damage I did on the wood chip pile. So it ate into it pretty good because that was a pretty big pile there. Let me give you a quick update here. So I closed off that side there and finished laying the wood chips in the garden this morning. Show you the little gate I got here. It's just a piece of farm fencing, and I've just got a little chain that I wrap around that right there, and you can unlock it. Anyways, I wanted to do just a quick update. Got everything planted, and I'll probably do another video at some point so I can show you all that. But anyways, you got tomatoes and squash and watermelon. Put cantaloupe seed in the ground, Blue Lake pole beans. I've got peppers. So we're supposed to get a really good rain tomorrow, so I didn't really water it in very well, but it was moist down in the ground. So all right, until next time.